In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dhan in Tradingview. This process is fairly simple and straightforward, and by the end, you'll have a direct connection between Tradingview and your Dhan account, allowing you to leverage both platforms seamlessly for your trading needs. Let's dive in and walk through this step by step. First up, you'll want to go to your web browser and navigate to the Tradingview website. Tradingview is a robust platform that allows traders to access charting tools and market data, making it a favorite among traders worldwide. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, look for the option to enter a super chart. It's typically featured prominently and will allow you to explore detailed charts and a range of trading functionalities. Once inside the super chart, you'll see a wide array of options and settings that might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. What you're looking for is the trading panel, usually located at the bottom of the chart section. Clicking on the trading panel will open up a new set of options on your screen. This is where Tradingview consolidates various brokerage connections, allowing for direct integration with different platforms. After opening the trading panel, you'll notice a button or link labeled Show All Brokers. Clicking this will expand the list of available brokers to connect with, which gives a comprehensive view of Tradingview's integration capabilities. This step is crucial because it exposes all the brokerage options, ensuring you can easily find Dhan among them. In the list of brokers, you'll look for the option with the number 8. This is part of the navigation within the Tradingview platform that directs you to a more extensive selection. Clicking here leads you to even more choices in broker connections. It's akin to browsing through an expanded directory, ensuring you don't miss out on any available integration options. Next, scan through the list to find Dhan. Depending on how often you use this feature, you might be able to search directly for Dhan using the platform's search functionality, which can save you time. However, if you're browsing manually, just keep scrolling until you spot Dhan listed among the options. Once you have located Dhan, the final step is to click and connect. By selecting Connect, you'll initiate the integration process. At this stage, you'll likely be prompted to log into your Dhan account or authorize the connection. Follow the prompts provided, ensuring all necessary permissions are granted to establish a secure and functional link between the two platforms. And that's it. You're now connected. You can now take full advantage of Tradingview's analytical prowess alongside Dhan's execution capabilities. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, and I invite you to explore the possibilities that this integration brings to your trading experience.